What's going on, guys? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the best way to make money online. I'm going to show you how to get started for free, and then I'm going to show you how to automate the full system, and if you have money to invest in growing the system. Now, let's talk about the first thing that you want to do in order to get started with this method. Now, the first thing is you want to get my checklist. I have a full free checklist. If you go to digitalplaybook.com, you can download this list of tools that will allow you to promote any one of these affiliate tools. To become an affiliate of any of these tools, all you would need to do is go to the tool, click Get Tool, and when it takes you to their website, scroll down to the very bottom, and it'll say Affiliate Partner Program or Become an Affiliate. Just put in your information by clicking Apply Now, and then 9 times out of 10, you'll get an email saying you are able to promote their product, and they will give you a link. Next step, what are you supposed to do when you get the link? What you need to do is inside the playbook, go over to the VIP checklist and give that an open. Once you're in here, it has everything, step-by-step tutorials of what to do, what to create, the whole roadmap right here. Right here, you'll see under the main account, these are things that I try to do every day. 3 shorts, 1 long form, and an email. That's always a must. Same with the blog. Live stream, I haven't done that in a while. And then story, I do that on the Instagram. Not so much carousel, not so much the community. When you're getting started, this is a great place to look. Now, the whole point of an affiliate link is promoting someone else's product. And to do that, you need traffic. And when you're just starting out, the best way to do that is going to create short form content on all these profiles: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Facebook group, all of these. Now, if you're just starting out, just do YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Facebook group. But what you want to do is you want to create content using AI and then upload those on the platforms. How would you do that? You want to go over to Shinify. This is a AI tool that lets you transcribe videos and then generate videos all using AI and GPT. So you would first click AI transcriber. That is where, let's say you find a Instagram video or TikTok video that you really like. You would place that. It worked, but I already used it. You would place that reel in here. You would hit transcribe, and then it would process right over here, and boom, you have the transcription. Once you do that, you're going to hit create video, and then that's going to take you over to the AI video generator tab, and then it is going to generate you a AI video that looks like this.
Looking to snag 1,000 leads daily with AI? Start by finding trending Instagram videos. Transcribe the audio, craft catchy hooks.
Very good for AI generation. So that video is going to be downloaded to your computer, and then you're just going to want to hit create project. I already have a couple of these uploaded in here, so I'm just going to open it up and show you what it looks like. Now, once you import this video, you're going to want to do 2 things. You're going to want to add some captions, and then you're going to want to add some audio with it as well to help with, once you got a video in here, you're going to want to add captions, and then you're going to want to add some type of music under it just to make it sound and be more appealing. Now, the captions that I like
Dumbest way to make $1,000.
are these ones that have emojis. And if you just go to click on the captions, animations, and it's going to be one of the first couple ones. Boom. There's some other ones as well. And then you're going to download this. Boom. Download it. And then you're going to want to go into a tool called Radar. This is what I use to schedule all my content. As you can see, the ones in the green that have been scheduled, and it is super easy just to upload all of these to here, and then you have everything in one place. So that's one route. Go to Shineify, create the content. But if you're someone like me, you don't want to go create AI generated content. You're super lazy. You want the quickest and easiest way. Well, do we have something for you? Inside the VIP checklist, we have a list of proven reels that are, when proven, I mean these are reels that have worked by other creators, and we have went and downloaded them, so you can click on a link, download it yourself, and literally repurpose this reel. Now, when I say repurpose, that doesn't mean it's going to look something like this. Now, when I say repurpose, I don't mean take this video, download it, then upload it straight to one of your platforms. You're going to want to have to take one more process of downloading that, putting it into the CapCut, and then making some changes to it to help with that, to help with the algorithm see this as a new video. So what I do, add captions, add some music under it. We have all these reels right here. We have pre-written out emails. So when you get these leads into your funnel, when you get their email address, you can start email marketing to them. So this is for Shineify. If you want to promote that, go high level. That's a funnel builder, a CRM platform, flow chat. There's so many different emails that we have in here, and they're in here because they work. IG images, as far as if you want to start posting some carousels, depending on what the niche you're in. All of these right here. Old checklist. This is AI tools. And then old reels. These are reels that were posted a couple years ago. Long form content too. Starting out, getting out long form content every day, definitely harder. So starting off, I just recommend get out the 3 shorts a day, especially if you're a new account, because this isn't something that's going to happen overnight. You're going to need 30, 40, 45 days. Like sometimes it won't even, it could take 60 days. Consistency is where it's at, and it's how you're going to start making money with affiliate marketing and promoting these AI tools. So to wrap up the video, if you have any questions, comments, put them down below. I'm going to keep making these videos, but go to the description, get the checklist, and then start with the roadmap. Create these profiles, and then start creating content with Shineify and repurposing the videos that are already in the checklist. Happy money making, and see you in the next video.